Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial, we're gonna learn how to change your currency in your Shopify store in 2021. Right now I have Euro. I want to change this to USD, alright? So to do this, just go to your Shopify backend, go down in the left sidebar and click on this one, Settings. In Settings, we're gonna go to this one, General. Go all the way down to this one, Store Currency. So make sure to read this text. So this is the currency your products are sold in. After your first sale, currency is locked in and can't be changed. Alright. So after your first sale, this currency will be locked in. Alright. So be aware of that. So to change this store currency on Shopify, just click on the drop down menu and choose your currency. I'm just gonna choose US dollars, USD, like so. Okay, so after that, just go to the bottom right corner, click on Save. And let's go back and have a look. We're gonna go to the Shopify store. We're gonna update. Now we can see that we have US dollars, USD instead. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my full Shopify playlist in the description below. Subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.